Hey, it's Randy, Mountain Air Farms. All right. I've been working it the past 2 days. This is that table.
Right.
She can come over here and get a good. It's going to mount on the wall, and this is going to be the leg. Just like a little fold-out table in a little cabin. It's not going to be fold out, but
It'll be a little bar.
yeah. This will be the top, and that'll be the leg on this one end, and it's going to attach to the wall over here.
Right.
But that river oak just turned out gorgeous.
I mean, and you can tell there's little wormholes and stuff, and that's
Yeah.
just normal with wood.
Well, it's live edge.
Yeah.
It turned out gorgeous.
Okay.
But it went from that. It went from that.
That.
Yeah,
to that.
over close to this. Where it's not in the sunlight.
Yeah.
From that to that. It took 2 days on that and the ladder.
Your ladder.
Yep, this is old Tommy. It's like a flooring loft ladder.
Cool.
That'll be going up.
Cool.
To get upstairs.
Is this just, you just got wood glue in these holes?
Yep, I filled the holes up and I'm gonna let it set up, then I'll trim it off. And I've got to stain it.
Right.
But I mean, it'll be tomorrow afternoon. I can take my wood chisel and just cut the tops of it off.
Right.
Flatten it off, sand it down, and
Cool.
stain it.
Okay. What else have you got there?
But that's a good beefy ladder.
Yeah. And you're just it'll go from the floor up to the mount
Up
on
to the loft.
loft.
The runners will stick above a little bit, so you'll have something to hang on to when you're going up over.
Right. And we'll just need to get some good brackets to hold it.
Well, for the floor, I can run screws in the back side, and it ain't gonna go nowhere.
Okay.
But we're doing them signs. We've got a show tomorrow. It's down at our local elementary school. It's just like
Right.
not a springtime show.
It's a craft.
Yeah, it's a craft show. But we're doing these signs. We've got probably 23 or 24 of them made up.
21, I think.
And we can do different things for people. But
Now
we
this
had made up
is,
some coasters.
I start saying, now this Norris Lake is actually the lake that's right here,
Oh yeah,
3 miles. This is our lake.
Yeah. And then we made some wooden coasters.
That's one of my favorites.
Burnt them in.
Yeah, that's got, I think these 4 you did with beer or wine.
Yep. And them over there, tea and coffee.
Tea and coffee. Cool. How come, is it just because the wood is so much different there in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
And then
That's
this,
maple. That's cedar.
okay. Cedar's more an even color, maple's not,
Yeah, maple is, and I mean, it's been down for 2 years,
at least.
the limbs.
Now, this is an old song. I know this is one of my mom's favorite songs.
That's my favorite song.
Which one? The beer, the steak, the gun, or the freedom?
All of it.
Okay, and then you've got a couple more over here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, get them stained. So
That's-
that's tomorrow at 10. So
Yeah.
we're just trying to get everything done for it.
Actually, I mean, that's an oval, so I don't know whether if they would use it as a coaster or just something cute for a kitchen, maybe a farmhouse kitchen or kids' rooms or...
Well, I actually was thinking they've got them things that screws onto the back. It's like a towel holder. It
Right.
comes out, it would screw on you and you hang it up and there's a towel holder there
Well,
coming out from it. But we'll just take it right like that.
and I
I mean,
think,
we can do, it's a number of things we can do.
Yeah.
Just,
and that's actually just kind of etched in. That's not even burned in. You could tell it's not burned deep. Cool.
That'll work. That's a pretty river log.
Yeah.
I mean, it's oak, but it...
Don't look like...
No.
That
I think
is
it is
gorgeous.
red oak. I think it just where it sucked up all them minerals and stuff, turned it that color.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, because that's a clear... That's a clear finish we put on it.
Yeah. Well, that is gorgeous.
That makes a pretty little table.
Yep.
Get a couple of bar stools set on each side. And...
Well, we were even telling her there's, I think at Rural Kingway is at the bar stools that have...
like the little tractor seat.
Yeah, the little tractor seat on it, which, I don't know, that may be a little bit too big. She may just want to try to find cute little, simple little wooden bar stools.
Yeah. You put the table up, and she can find something to match it or go with it. But that'd be a pretty table.
Oh, yeah. And even just like painted, like a little white painted bar stools or something of that nature.
It just takes a lot to get it from that to that.
Yeah. And it don't matter how big.
I never stopped the video.
Yeah, it does on mine. So, I apologize. I didn't mean to my video to stop on me. I had a call that came through, a spam caller, and it shut my video off. But as he was saying, did you just touch that with your hand?
Yep.
Yeah.
But I do that a lot. I don't go back over it.
It looks like you about ready to knock this off. Yeah. Now this is the last of them to be stained or sealed.
Yeah, it's still got one more coat.
Right.
Although after this one, I'll run over it with the steel wool.
Okay.
And then
You'll have to do one more coat to it.
Yep, do one more coat to it.
And then you'll seal the back. I
sealed the back first.
Oh, okay.
I'm just sealing the back with one coat.
Right. And it's just to protect it from weather. And really depends on how the people, they could hang them. They could just, mount them straight to the wall. They could put them on easels. I mean, there's so many different ways you can put them up. Well, we're just showing you the completed here of this table. And what else he's doing. He's just playing in the sunshine right now.
Mm-hmm.
And they said that next week we're going to be in like mid to upper 60s.
Yeah, it'll be sweet next week.
Yeah.
But we'll have some cold spells.
Oh, yeah. Usually right around Easter. When everyone has their Easter bonnets on and their cute little Easter dresses, it's so cold you have to wear your winter parkas and you don't see what they're dressed up as.
But it won't last long.
No.
We're almost there.
Well, remember to like, subscribe, and share. We love hearing from you. We love your comments and suggestions. If there's something that you want him to make you, maybe a certain kind of sign, maybe, you like the military look or the flags or the lake or maybe the coasters, I don't know. Send him a message. He'll be more than happy to, send you some pictures, some designs, some looks, and if you like them, we'll be more than happy to quote you a price, and you'll have something unique and creative done right here in good old East Tennessee. Something unique and different.
Yep.
He could, even if maybe you want something unique, like can you cut a piece of this river log and make it into a nice small sign? That way you have a conversational piece.
I've still got several more slabs of it down there.
Oh, yeah.
We just slabbed it up and didn't know what to do with it, so.
So there's, like I said, think about it. If you want him to do something, he'll be more than happy to. So Well, I'm going to close for now, and we'll bring you back in the next couple of days. You're going to see all of this in the works. Well, remember, as always, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.